Yes. No, the Jolly Ranchers, those are for the wheel. Did I say yes? I do, but I'm not opening those yet. Number 1. Who can read number 1? Okay, go. Okay, so we're gonna walk through this one together, and then I'm gonna start spot checking you. Okay, what is important information that I need to know starting from the beginning? 3 groups of 23 children. So what does that look like? Remember that you need to represent what is happening in the story. So it means that I have 3 groups, and each group has 23 children. Write this down. The question is, how many children took the tour? So how many children? Okay. Now remember yesterday we talked about the get strategy? Okay. G, okay, times E equals T. Okay, who can tell me what G stands for? Groups. Groups. Very good. Yes. Yes. Times, what do you think E stands for? Each. Each. Equals total. So let's break this down. How many groups are we representing here? 3 groups. 23 each. Well, the total is what I have to solve. Now, I know that we could do repeated addition, right? Because these numbers are pretty small. But on your STAAR test, you're not going to have small numbers like this. You're going to have bigger numbers. So we need to learn how to multiply it. So, if I'm going to multiply, we're starting with our area model. Remember, your first number is always your rows. Your second number is always your columns. Row your boat gently down the stream. Now, I need to expand these numbers. When I expand, it means that I'm showing I'm stretching it out, showing the value of each digit. What is the value of the 3? 3. What is the value of, oh, these are 2 digits. So let's do one at a time. What is the value of the 2? 20. What is the value of the 3? 3. So this does not exist anymore. These are my rows and my columns. Rows and columns. Now I can draw my area model. And if you run out of space while you're copying this, boys and girls, let's be problem solvers.
Problem makers.
And get a grid paper. So, the 3, that's my rows. Where am I going to put the 3? On the
Left.
So, guess what? Both of you are right. I'm going to put it on the left because my rows go on the side. But if this row is 3, well, doesn't it mean that this side is also 3? So I want us to be doing it on both sides now. Why? Because sometimes by the time that we're on this side of the area model, some of us are forgetting, what was the row? So that way it's here. Yes, go quickly. So quickly, very quickly. Okay, now my columns. Where are my columns going to go?
On the top.
On the top.
20 to the 3.
And then remember, anytime that you have your plus sign, you're going to stretch that out and make a line. Now this goes back to when we started with this lesson and we were using distribution. Remember, distribution means I pass one out to you, I pass one out to you, I pass one out to you. So what I'm doing here is I'm distributing this factor 3 times 20 and 3 times 3. That's what I'm going to multiply. So now I can represent that here. If I want to find the area of this figure only, area equals
Area equals length and width and base and height.
so length times width means I'm going to multiply 3 times 20. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. Now I want to find the area of this figure. Area equals
Length and width.
do that, do that.
Area equals length and width.
So my length, well, we know it's here, but we gave us a little reminder. We gave ourselves a little reminder that my rows represents 3. So I'm going to multiply 3 times 3. So now I have the area of this side of the figure, this side of the figure. But I actually need to know the whole thing. So what am I going to do?
Add.
I'm going to add these. 60 plus 9 equals 69. Now, can I solve this with standard multiplication? Of course. This is a great way for you to check your answer. Because in 4th grade, you are expected to know how to do area model. This is going to be an actual question. Actually, it's multiple questions on your STAAR test with the area model. But we can do it like this, standard, so that you can check your answer. This is not required. This is required in the 4th grade STAAR test. So I can multiply. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. And of course, if I wanted to be like super triple sure, I could add all of these and I would get the same. So here, this tells me there was 69 children that took the tour on Wednesday.
Imagínate que 67.
Imagínate. Okay, so let's catch up, and now we're gonna start doing our wheel of names.